Hey everybody, Vinny here. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I've got something kind of neat for you guys. It is this Nostalgia brand 6-can refrigerator. It runs on either 110 or 12 volt. It can go into a car. Pretty cool. It can heat and cool food and beverages. Now the box is saying it can get between 45 degrees and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. I do have my little probe in there. This has been going for about 3 hours now, and it did hit the 45-degree cooling mark. When you open it, you got plenty of space on the inside. Let's take this probe out because this don't need to be in here for now. And it will fit soda cans and all the good stuff. It does have a removable shelf. You can pull the shelf out for more vertical space. And let me get that back in there. Just like that. Then if we spin it around, you got your 110 where you plug it in, your 12 volt where you plug it in, your cold and hot selector. Now it got down to 45 degrees. Why don't we follow the instructions? We're going to turn this off for about 5 minutes because that's what the instruction says to do. We're going to let this sit for 5 minutes. I'm going to click it over to hot, and we're going to see if it actually gets up to that 130. So I'll be back in a few hours. It's been a little under an hour or so. I was saying a few hours, but just under an hour, about 55 minutes, and this thing hit the temperature that it says it would. It heated up to 130 degrees. Which is phenomenal. That's great. It's a product that is advertising its temperatures, and it's meeting those temperatures. So that's phenomenal. Now, there are some people who are probably going to be watching this like, oh, you didn't show us that it can hold 6 cans. Well, here you go. 1, 2... Oh, come here. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it can hold 6 cans. It can cool down to 45 degrees. It can heat to 130 degrees. And it's $40 on Amazon. Not too bad. If you're interested in getting this little fridge, I'll put a link down in the description for it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop a comment. Okay? Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. I like my little fridge.